Can you sing happy birthday?
Apollo.
Can you sing happy birthday?
Apollo.
Happy. Can you sing it for Mama?
Evan.
Is that Evan? Who's the best boy?
Ticket. Hi.
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 Can you sing your ABCs?
ABC.
Use this many figs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but they're bigger.
Evan. ABC.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Tickle. Evan.
Twinkle Evan? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Tickle. Tickle. Ha ha ha. Tickle. Tickle. Ha ha ha.
Can you sing your ABCs now?
A B D D A C G A B D D A G G.
Can you sing happy birthday?
No.
Happy birthday to Mommy. Do you want to sing it for
Sing
Mommy?
happy birthday, Evan.
Sing happy birthday for Mommy.
Had it. I had it.
Happy birthday to you.
Had it. Tickle. Had it.
Mommy doesn't want to be on camera. Okay, let's stop the movie.